This past winter, we lost all our worms. So I ordered some new redwigglers, along with a new indoor home for overwintering them. I had started with a half a pound originally and one Rubbermaid bin I made. After 4 years, I had 4 huge bins of worms and their castings for our future garden. I still have the rich black gold for our crops, thankfully. All I needed was more worms. I think we need more water. You can see it's supposed to be like a sponge. You can see that a little bit more water. Still not enough. I'm always worried. It'll get too soppy. It has to be like a spongy, a wrung out sponge consistency. They actually give you a bag of shredded paper, but the worms also come with shredded newspaper. You want to mix that together with some more water. Just gonna put water in it. So we're gonna dump and mix. I'm gonna just mix it right in there because it's making too much of a mess. You can see how wet it is at the bottom. So as long as it's all damp, Everything will mix really good. I think I'm gonna add some more newspaper. Filled with more super flour, and of course they're all at the bottom, which is amazing. Look at these babies. So this is 1 pound redwigglers. I think the last time I had bought some was a 1/4 pound. These guys can eat an insane amount daily. And they produce black gold for the garden. So we're gonna cover them up so they're all in their bed. This is their bedding. And then this layer sits right on top. It's a working layer, so that's the first working layer. And that's where you put your vegetables. We're gonna just let them get used to their home till tomorrow. I'm not gonna put anything in here yet. And what they'll do is they'll crawl up